Hello, it's Wednesday, it's Walkabout Wednesday. I'm Adrain Crawford and wanted to show you very briefly around. We've posted quite a lot of video recently. We've also done some educating Harry, and I wondered, is there anything else that you'd like me to either educate Harry about or that you'd be interested in seeing? So please come back to me, tell me on the video, what's it you'd like us to show, what would you like to know about? And we'll see if we can combine it into one of the next videos. Meanwhile, this is the view from my office, and I'll take you for a quick walk around. Now, it's regular working day here. I can see John down there keeping the workshop lovely and clean, and our usual display or customers in with KN, 911, Boxster, and some other really interesting stuff. It is been really busy here, and got still quite a lot going on in the showroom. I won't go through each car, but some of it here is sold. But we've still got some beauties available. And you just check out the website or sign up for our email newsletter. We started a new newsletter for Mondays where you can get sort of a preview of any price changes or new stock that's expected in before they go live on the Wednesday. Lovely 993 Targa that we come in, and it's on his way out again. Didn't spend long here at all. Now, I'm going to nip through service reception. Only to find Andy chatting to Leanne here on the service desk. Don't know what about. They look very guilty to me. Right, everyone's in here. Why aren't you guys working?
We are.
Yeah. Someone must do work here sometimes, because cars move in and out. McLaren on the MOT ramp. McCann, oh, sounds like an air-cooled. John there on the cleaning. And Ian with the, just finishing off that beautiful Super Sport. Right, quickly back into restoration. Bit of a walk today. I'll take a different route. Off to France, the BMW. Got a couple going to France, and yeah, we've had quite a sort of worldwide week, really. Even had one arriving from Nigeria. Let's see what we can find going on in restoration. Looks almost the same colour as the 993 Targa. Graham there, and the back end of Josh with the 993 Steve Bull has come in to inspect. Very nice 944. Harry there doing some work on Turbo S. And yeah, that's what we've got today for you. So there we are. We've got we haven't got a full crew this week, but you can see what's going on. Thanks. And fair range of activity. I can just see the Ferrari out there. That one's off to France as well. So, well, if we can help you with any of your Porsche needs, wherever you are in the world, the answer is usually yes, and look forward to hearing from you. Now remember, if you want to get pre-warned of cars that are coming in or price changes or things that we want, sign up for the Monday newsletter. If you'd like to learn about something or have me cover different topics, please put it in the comments below or email us direct. Nothing rude, of course. Thanks for watching. I'm Adrain Crawford, Walkabout Wednesday with Williams Crawford, passion for Porsche.